above the world, there was a small cloud that had forgotten how to rain. While the other clouds moved with purpose, pouring gentle showers over fields and rivers, this one simply floated, quietly, slowly, unsure of what to do. I must be broken, it thought, so it drifted farther away into a quiet part of the sky. Days passed, then nights, until one evening the wind whispered softly, "You are not broken, you are just resting." The cloud paused, and for the first time, it stopped trying to be like the others. It simply floated. And as it rested, something changed. A single drop formed, then another, then another. Not forced, not rushed, just gentle, natural. And soon the cloud remembered. Tonight, you don't have to do everything. You don't have to rush. You are allowed to rest and trust that what you need will come back to you in its own time.